Okay, we're doing the whole WAGO versus wire nut thing. We already talked about this, but it got me thinking. Let's see what's inside one of these. Where'd it go? That's okay. We got another one. Well, they're strong. I'll give them that. All right, it's all smashy in there, but you can see that's where the wires plug in. So there's just a little bar in the middle, and then some grabber deals, and that's what holds your wire. Definitely not superior to something like that. Okay, so we got it apart. That's what it looks like inside there. That's what's holding all your electricity.